Hello and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. All right, 'tis the season. We're going to take these wood ornaments from the Dollar Tree and also this set from Amazon, and we are going to dip those today. So I got these ones from Dollar Tree. They come out for $1, and then this package was 96 of them from Amazon for $16.99. Here's a couple of them dry that I already did the other day, all dry. And so we're going to dip a whole variety of them today, and I'll show you that and tell you all the colors that I used. But just here's a couple of dry ones. All right, so today's colors are Extreme Sheen Gold, 24 karat gold, Extreme Sheen Ruby, Extreme Sheen Emerald, and then we also have Cheep Paints Turquoise, Cheep Paints Sap Green, Cheep Paints Green Light, Cheep Paints Crimson, and Cheep Paints Scarlet. So those are the colors we'll be using today. We will be using some blues in a moment, but we'll get to those. So I have added silicone to about 3 of those colors. All of my paint is mixed up 1 part paint to 3 parts Floetrol, then 1 to 2 drops of treadmill oil, only in a couple of the colors. So I am just dipping them in the paint that I have here. I have a canvas that still has the plastic on it. So it's still wrapped in the plastic, and I have just put paint down here, and then I am just dipping into that surface, and then I am torching them if I notice they have air bubbles, but not too much torching them. And so with greens and reds, you will start to get muddying. So I put a little bit of paint down on my surface. I can dip that just a couple of times, and then I just kind of keep adding paint and kind of expanding that paint surface around a little bit. And then once you're all done and have dipped these ornaments, they dry rather quickly because they are kind of a thin wood, and so they dry and just they're completely dry and pretty much cured in about 2 weeks. Then I varnish them with 3 thin coats of Minwax polyacrylic. And for the back side, I just paint them with a solid color. Just paint them solid green or solid red, and then I just write the year on them real quick and sign them. And so then I attach either a thin ribbon or some embroidery floss to them to make them into hanging ornaments. So these are a super great idea, super quick and easy to do a bunch of them. They're a super fun idea to do with kids. They're a super fun idea to do with the family as a family activity. So if you've dipped in there and you have kind of some bald spots, just dip the tip of your finger into the paint and then just fill in your bald spots. No big deal. You don't really want to go in for a second time and dip a second time because you are using some greens and reds, some colors that will easily muddy up and easily turn into browns. So you don't really want to go in and double dip. If you do have a couple of bald spots, no big deal. Just dip your finger in and then fill in the bald spots. So all right, I want to do a variety of some blue and white ones here. We've done some greens and reds and golds and a little bit of turquoise, but let's do some snowflakes and angel and snowman. And so I have used, it is DecoArt's pearl, blue taffeta pearl. And then I have Cheep Paints Ultramarine Blue, Cheep Paints Titanium White, Cheep Paints Silver. And so those are the colors I'm using for the blue, white, and silver ones. And I do not have any silicone in these. But with the dipping technique and with Floetrol as my pouring medium, I am getting a few cells anyways. So I am going to put a little bit of Apple Barrel's cobalt blue hue and a little bit more silver in there. All right, so I'm going to dip this angel. And so the Dollar Tree has a variety of 8 packs of these ornaments. in a variety of shapes. And then you can also get them at Michael's, Joann's, but I got mine at the Dollar Tree and then also off of Amazon. And I will link the pack I got off of Amazon in the description, and I will put all the colors used and all that in the description. And so it's not an affiliate link or anything, it's just a link to the ones that I purchased, and they were $16.99 for 96 of them. So it's a super quick, fun little trick to do a bunch of these up. And just a reminder, I will be doing a bunch more of these, dipping a bunch of these on my Christmas party. I'm going to be doing a live stream Christmas party on December 11th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There's going to be games and giveaways, and I'm going to be doing a couple of Christmas paint pours, some ornaments, and also going to be frosting some cookies in some kind of some techniques, kind of some dirty pour frosting cookie techniques. So I can't wait to see you all there. Hope you can come and joining me on December 11th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That'll be our Christmas party. And just a reminder, the month of December, I will not be doing my normal live stream on Wednesdays. We will only be having this Christmas party. And so here is a close-up of some of these. And these dried super bright and pretty, and they dried super quick. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. It is the season. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please let me know if you have any questions. You can get a hold of me on pretty much all social media under the same name, or go ahead in the comments or whatever you would like if you have any questions. So thank you so much, and you have an awesome day, and Merry Christmas.